There are three basic types of searches using the command line: an and, an or a phrase search. The type of search that you are executing is determined by the appropriate control character. In most cases, you'll want to search for a word or words in a particular verse. This is accomplished by using the period before the word or words that you wish to search for. So if you wish to search for verses where faith and works appears in the verse, type the period and then the words faith and works and hit enter. This is an and search. But let's say you wish to search for faith or works, that is, verses where either faith or works appear, but they don't need to appear in the same verse. This is an or search. Use a / and then type in faith and works and hit enter. The command line also allows you to search for a phrase. The control character for a phrase is the single quote mark or the apostrophe. Type in the single quote mark and then the phrase that you wish to search for. Then hit enter. As you're becoming familiar with command line searches, you can display code insertion buttons, which will serve as a reminder to enter a control character, but also give you a button to click on to enter a control character as well. You can display code insertion buttons by right-clicking on the command line and then choosing Code Insertion Buttons.